Hello friends, welcome to today's video. It has been a long week this week, and I unfortunately waited until the very last minute to film this video. I was going to film a cleaning video, but since I waited till the very last minute, it's been kind of... it's just been one of those days. Sorry if the camera is shaky. So I thought I would just show you my Halloween decoration since I didn't do a a decorate with me, clean with me thing. So I'm just gonna go around. A lot of them are like the same as last year. If you saw, I think I did a Halloween house tour. I can't remember though. But I do have a few new pieces, so I thought I would just share them with you, just so that I can at least get something up for tomorrow. Just so you do know, it is dark outside, so I'm just using normal lights today instead of like natural light. But yeah, before we do get into this video, definitely go down and subscribe. I'm almost to 400 subscribers. I am so excited and cannot wait to hit that. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely go down and click the subscribe button for me. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also definitely go over and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just get on into this Halloween decor house tour. Okay, so over here by my front door, I have this little light up pumpkin. I'm trying to be quiet because my kids are trying to go to bed. But yeah, so right here I have this little pumpkin, and then right over here I have my sign that I've had for a while. This says, "Come in, my pretties," and it's just, you see this right as you walk into my front door. Okay, so up here on the top of my desk, I have all of these. I have these cute little pumpkins, and inside I just have some battery operated candles. I have no idea where this sign came from. I've had it for a really long time. And then these little guys here, and then and these things here I also got all from the dollar store. And then I've had this, like, oh, I can't think of what the word is right now, but, and I just have that strung along the top of my desk. And then up here on the top of my refrigerator, I just have this little pumpkin guy. He just chills up there. I just thought that was a good place for him. And then over here on the counter, I have this Scentsy wax warmer. It's a cute little jack-o'-lantern, and I love him. And I also wanted to share with you, this is the scent I have. Oh, sorry, there's a glare. In my candle, or not my candle, but my wax warmer right now. So it's called Autumn Valley by Scent Sensationals. I got it at Walmart. But I wanted a fall scent to go in there. So yeah, that's that little guy there. Okay, and then over here on the other side of my kitchen, I have this cute little trick-or-treat sign and this cute lantern that has like a skull inside of it that I got at Walmart the other day, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It is super cute and super adorable. Okay, I just wanted to show you too that I just left the table the same because I couldn't find a Halloween decoration to put as a centerpiece. So of course it's just my little pumpkin flower thing. I haven't changed this up. This is just gonna stay as like autumn themed, which is okay because I'll keep it like this until after Thanksgiving and when it's time to put up the Christmas tree. So I really do love this table runner. I actually made this myself. I cut out the fabric and sewed it together, so it's not perfect, but I like it and it works. Okay, so the next thing is my coffee table in my living room. I got this, like, I don't know what it's called, but most people have it like hung along their walls and stuff. But I just used it as like a mat on the table, and then I just have this pumpkin candle. It doesn't have a scent or anything, so I just tend to leave it unlit and just have it out like this. I just like how cute the little pumpkin guys are. But yeah, that is my coffee table, and I think it's okay. I was really hoping to have that lantern on here, but it's only like one-sided, like it's flat on one side, and so it needed to be up against something, so that's why it's over on the counter. Okay, so next is my TV stand. This is pretty much the same as it was last year. I just have these like ceramic porcelain pumpkins that I got at the dollar store. And then I have a little vampire and a witch. They just kind of hang out, and then just some other pumpkins over here. And I just figured it gives it a little more of that fall / Halloween type vibe, color, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then last but not least, right next to my TV stand, I have another one of those light up jack-o'-lanterns, just like the one I have over by the front door. I just put him here. Last year I had him on my kitchen counter, and I did have him on my kitchen counter until I got that lantern, so I moved him over here. And then I also have this like 3-tiered pumpkin thing, and I fell in love with it when I saw it at Walmart last week, and so I had to get it. They're just adorable. And yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I know it's not much. I know it's not anything cleaning. I could have done a laundry video, but I feel like I've done a lot of laundry videos in the last few videos, so I figured I'd kind of switch it up just a little bit. But I really do hope you enjoyed, even though it wasn't too much. I hope you enjoyed seeing my Halloween decorations. I know it wasn't a lot. Trust me, I'm on the hunt for Halloween decorations, but it's just kind of not a top priority right now. I did get a few new things, which I'm super excited about, but I'm going to continue to grow my Halloween decor collection. I feel like I have a lot of Christmas decorations, just not enough Halloween decorations. But yeah, again, I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!